Hold on to your hats, tech fans, because the battle for CPU supremacy is far from over. Intel, the long-reigning king, is facing fierce competition from AMD. It's a clash of titans, a silicon showdown. Who will emerge victorious? This isn't just about bragging rights. The outcome will shape the future of computing, from the phones in our pockets to the servers powering the internet. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of CPUs, exploring the history, the innovations, and the strategies that are fueling this epic rivalry. Intel, founded in 1968, quickly established itself as a powerhouse. Their x86 architecture became the industry standard, powering millions of PCs worldwide. For decades, Intel seemed unstoppable. But in the world of tech, disruption is always around the corner. Enter AMD, founded just a year after Intel in 1969. AMD initially focused on reverse engineering Intel's chips, providing a cheaper alternative. This sparked a rivalry for the ages. Over the years, both Intel and AMD have pushed the boundaries of CPU technology. We've gone from simple processors with a single core to complex multi-core monsters. Remember the Megahertz wars? Then came the shift to multi-core designs, increasing processing power without relying solely on clock speed. Both companies innovated with new instruction sets, improved power efficiency, and integrated graphics. We've seen it all. Section 4. The battleground today, where each chipmaker excels. Today, the CPU landscape is more diverse than ever. With rapid advancements in technology, the competition among chipmakers has intensified, leading to a variety of options for consumers and businesses alike. Intel still holds a significant market share, especially in laptops and high-end desktops. Their reputation for reliability and performance has kept them at the forefront of the industry for years. Their latest core processors like the i9-13900K offer blazing fast performance for gamers and content creators. These processors are designed to handle intensive tasks from high-end gaming to video editing and 3D rendering. AMD, however, has been on a roll with its Ryzen processors. Over the past few years, AMD has made significant strides in performance and efficiency, challenging Intel's dominance. Offering more cores and competitive performance at lower price points, AMD has captured the hearts and wallets of many. Their processors are known for providing excellent value, making them a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. Their Threadripper CPUs dominate the high-end desktop market, offering unparalleled performance for professionals who need the best. While Ryzen chips power everything from budget-friendly laptops to powerful workstations, AMD's versatility and innovation continue to drive their success in the market. Section 5. The future is coming. What's next for Intel and AMD? The future of CPUs is all about efficiency, performance, and AI. As technology advances, the demand for more powerful and efficient processors continues to grow. Both Intel and AMD are at the forefront of this technological revolution, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Intel is investing heavily in its new manufacturing processes, aiming to regain its manufacturing lead. With a focus on cutting-edge technology, Intel is working on developing smaller, more efficient transistors that can deliver higher performance while consuming less power. This is crucial as the demand for energy-efficient solutions increases. They're also pushing the boundaries of AI with specialized chips. These AI-specific processors are designed to handle complex computations and data processing tasks, making them ideal for applications in machine learning, data analytics, and more. Intel's commitment to AI innovation is evident in their latest product offerings. AMD, meanwhile, continues to refine its Zen architecture, promising even more performance and efficiency in the coming years. The Zen architecture has been a game-changer for AMD, allowing them to compete head-to-head with Intel in both consumer and enterprise markets. Their focus on multi-core performance and energy efficiency has set new standards in the industry. They're also making waves in the data center market, challenging Intel's long-held dominance. AMD's EPYC processors are gaining traction for their high performance and scalability, making them a popular choice for data centers around the world. This shift is reshaping the competitive landscape in the server market. Both companies are looking towards a future where CPUs are more tightly integrated with other components, creating a seamless computing experience. This integration will enable faster data transfer, improve system performance, and a more cohesive user experience. As we move forward, the innovations from Intel and AMD will continue to shape the future of computing. Section 6. Who will rule the CPU world? So, who will emerge victorious in this epic battle for CPU dominance? It's a tough call. Both Intel and AMD have been pushing the boundaries of technology, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Intel has a long-standing reputation for reliability and performance, while AMD is known for its innovative approach and competitive pricing. Intel, with its legacy and resources, is a formidable force. Their extensive research and development capabilities have led to some of the most powerful CPUs on the market. Intel's focus on high-performance computing and enterprise solutions has made it a favorite among professionals and businesses, but AMD, with its disruptive spirit and innovative products, is a serious contender. AMD has been making waves with its Ryzen and Threadripper series, offering exceptional performance at competitive prices. Their focus on gaming and consumer markets has earned them a loyal following. One thing's for sure, the competition is fierce, and that's great news for consumers. As these two giants continue to innovate, we can expect to see more powerful, more efficient, and more affordable CPUs hitting the market. This competition drives technological advancements and keeps prices in check. We'll continue to see more powerful, more efficient, and more affordable CPUs hitting the market. What do you think? Will Intel maintain its dominance? Or will AMD continue to disrupt the status quo? The future of the CPU world is exciting and unpredictable. Who do you think will lead the CPU world in 2025 and beyond? Will it be Intel with its deep pockets and extensive experience, or AMD with its innovative edge and consumer-friendly approach? The landscape of technology is ever-changing, and the next few years will be crucial. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Your insights and predictions are valuable as we navigate this exciting journey in the world of CPUs. Let's keep the conversation going.